friends, welcome to Sidzart. Today I'll be showing you some unique tattoo ideas, and for that I'll be using this gel pen so that if you make any mistakes you can easily remove it, and then use a permanent marker to go over that. So let's start our first tattoo. So this one's kinda very positive and motivational kind of tattoo, and this is like you're hugging yourself, so it's full of positivity and I really love this one. So let's see how it comes out. And I also used a wet cloth to erase any mistake that I make. That's the benefit of using a gel pen before using a permanent one. So this is how our first tattoo looks like. Now just use a permanent marker and you will have a temporary tattoo at your home. So let's start the second design. So this time I will show you some finger tattoos. They look really cool. You should really try these. First of all, I'm going to make a snake tattoo. And see how cool it looks. Now I will make a fire tattoo on my ring finger. And this one looks kinda hot, right? Okay, so let's move on to our third tattoo. This time I'll be making a tattoo between my fingers. So this is just a little one. And this is how this one looks. Well, this place is also really good to draw a small tattoo, right? Now let's move on to our fifth tattoo. So this is a tattoo which has a moon and a floral pattern. So this one looks really beautiful and kind of decent. So yeah, I again used wet gloves to remove my mistakes. You can do that as well. Yeah, so this tattoo contains some tricks like the blending and all that. I will tell you. Like here, I've drawn this flower and now I'm gonna add some blending. Like first of all, add some ink and then blend it using an earbud. This is the only and most important trick that is used in this tattoo, and it really comes out like amazing using this trick. And yeah, most important tip, you need to do this thing when the ink is still wet, otherwise it won't get blend at all. And see how lovely it looks. I just really wish I could have a permanent tattoo like this, but I can't, so I just keep myself happy by drawing these temporary ones. Easy peasy. So let's go to our last tattoo. This one's related to rose and some calligraphy as well. So this is how it looks, and hope you all liked all the tattoo ideas that I've shown today. So don't forget to like this video, share it, and leave a comment down below. See you until my next video. Bye bye.